Welcome to a Violet Ray activation with the help of Ascendant Master St. Germain. Let's start by centering ourselves in the heart. Find your position, keep your body still, spine straight, chest open, neck long. Bring your attention to your heart center. Visualize the green torus field shooting in front. Coming back all around, visualize the fractal of coherence pulsating in front and in the back and inside of your chest. Feel those beautiful patterns of sacred geometry boiling, moving in harmony, pulsating. Everything is merging into oneness. Feel all the cells in your chest, in your heart, in your lungs, dancing in harmony. Feel the heat. Feel the physical heart pumping faster. Feel the heartbeat of God. Where attention goes, energy goes. Keep your attention right in the middle of your chest. We are creating a container to transform chaotic energy into harmonized energy. We are the alchemists. Always bring back to your attention. Don't get caught up by the thoughts. Now bring your attention all the way up over your head. Visualize the white central sun pulsating this pure divine white light. This is the Godhead. Imagine there's a silver cord coming down, circulating this white light down the silver cord, entering your higher self. Visualize a higher being, a massive being of light, receiving the white light from the Godhead, and then sending it down into another silver cord, all the way down to your crown chakra. Receive this white light from your higher self, which received it from the central sun. Bring all that white light into your heart center. Fill your heart with white light. Feel your heart expanding like a big ball of white light energy. Expanding, expanding. And bring that white light in a spiral up into the throat, and then down into the solar plexus, up into the third eye, down into the sacral, up into the crown, down into the root. Visualize again this spiral. Expanding the white light all over your energy field. Every chakra are expanding, radiating white light. You can feel your physical body, your light body, radiating white light. Feel a pillar of white light all around you. 9 feet across, 9 feet up, 3 feet below. You are surrounded by a beautiful, white, crystalline pillar of light. This pillar of light is connecting to your higher self, which is then connecting to the central sun. Now feel a violet flame rising from Mother Earth, entering the pillar of white light. This violet flame is cleaning all your physical body, chakra per chakra, transmuting any heavy negative energy, transforming into light energy. Now visualize right in front of you a beautiful light being, Ascendant Master St. Germain, floating in the air. He's wearing a white He's wearing white. Somehow you can feel a rainbow sphere behind his head. And he's holding a golden sword in his hand. He's blessing you with this golden sword, placing the sword on your left shoulder, then on your right shoulder, and then right on top of your head. And then he's handing you this golden sword, beautiful etheric artifact of the ascension process. The sword represents purification. It's the warrior of light, the alchemist that transforms the dark into light. It is yours to remember. It is yours to anchor. Everywhere you go on earth, anchor your sword, which will anchor your light in these specific points, the specific nodes of energies, activating Mother Earth. Mother Earth receiving your activations. Feel again the white pillar all around, with the smaller pillar of violet ray inside. You're bathing yourself with pure white light and a beautiful violet flame. Feel worthy of it. Receive it. Feel your heart expanding. Feel the gratitude for the infinite present moment. Feel your inner peace. Bring your hands in prayer position as we close this practice. Thank you, dear One Infinite Creator. Thank you, dear Higher Self. Thank you, Ascendant Master St. Germain. Thank you to myself for always showing up, always feeling worthy of more love, more light, more activation. I am here on earth to anchor my light, to activate others, to activate Mother Earth, to serve humanity transition into the Great Awakening, into the new Earth. Thank you for your presence on Earth right now. Thank you for your service. Thank you for being yourself. You are hope. You are love. You are the new Earth. I love you. Always. You're never alone.